Hello, here we are with the answers to the given questions. Let's get started for the detailed explanation. In the first case, we are considering a scenario of recording the payment. When we go for recording the payment, some options can be given. One is below 16,000 or 1,600, whatever be the specification, you can go for this. This cat or category is equal to low. Then you have above 16,000 or 1,600, depend upon your case. The category is here is equal to high. So this is how you go for the specifications of your categories.